Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gamars. Today we will review about efficient eco-friendly kitchen dish brush with built-in soap dispense. In the quest for a sustainable and eco-friendly kitchen, finding tools that align with our commitment to the environment becomes essential. The efficient eco-friendly kitchen dish brush with built-in soap dispenser promises not only effective dish cleaning, but also a reduced environmental impact. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into the features, performance, and overall sustainability of this innovative kitchen tool. Design and materials. The first impression of the efficient eco-friendly dish brush is its thoughtfully crafted design. The brush handle is made from bamboo, a rapidly renewable resource known for its durability and low environmental impact. Bamboo is a great alternative to traditional plastic handles, as it is biodegradable and doesn't contribute to the global plastic pollution crisis. The brush head is composed of recycled plastic bristles, showcasing a commitment to repurposing materials and reducing waste. The use of recycled plastic aligns with the principles of the circular economy, where resources are reused and recycled to minimize environmental impact. Soap dispenser functionality. One standout feature of this dish brush is the built-in soap dispenser. The dispenser is conveniently located in the handle, allowing for easy access and control over the soap flow. This not only enhances the user experience but also promotes water conservation, as users can precisely dispense the required amount of soap without excess waste. The soap compartment is easily refillable, promoting a reusable approach to dishwashing. Users can choose to fill it with their preferred eco-friendly dish soap, contributing to a more sustainable cleaning routine. The dispenser is also designed to prevent leakage, ensuring a mess-free experience and maximizing the use of every drop of soap. Performance. The true test of any dish brush is its ability to effectively clean dishes. The efficient eco-friendly kitchen dish brush does not disappoint in this regard. The recycled plastic bristles are firm enough to remove stubborn food particles yet gentle on dishes, preventing scratches and damage. The brush head is also replaceable, extending the lifespan of the tool and reducing overall waste. The soap dispenser adds an extra layer of convenience, eliminating the need for a separate soap dish or bottle. This not only streamlines the dishwashing process but also contributes to a clutter-free kitchen environment. The ability to control the soap flow ensures efficient use of soap, further supporting a sustainable and economical approach. Environmental impact. One of the main selling points of this dish brush is its commitment to reducing environmental impact. The use of bamboo for the handle and recycled plastic for the bristles demonstrates a dedication to sustainability. Bamboo is a fast-growing plant that requires minimal resources to cultivate, making it an eco-friendly alternative to traditional plastic or wood. The choice of recycled plastic for the bristles not only repurposes existing materials but also helps mitigate the